Let's see how to install WordPress using Auto Installer in Hostinger. So to install WordPress using Auto Installer, first of all we need to log into our Hostinger H panel. Now here we will see the hosting section. Click on Manage from here. Now from the left menu, select the website where you want to install WordPress. Once your website is selected, click on Website option. Now here you will see WordPress install and Auto Installer. We can install WordPress using both options, but I will select WordPress install from here. Now here we will see the install button. Just click on it. Now at first we need to add our website title. After that we need to add our administrator email, administrator username and password. Please note that these details will be used later on to log into your WordPress website. So after adding these details here, copy these details to the notepad and save them for the future. Now click on next from here and then click on install. And as you can see that WordPress is now installing on our domain and hosting using the auto installer. So WordPress is now installed on our domain and hosting, and now if I click on WordPress admin from here, it will take us to the dashboard of our WordPress website. So this is the brand new WordPress website that we have just created on Hostinger. I have a video on how to install free professional theme and import demo data and create a professional WordPress website. I will link that video in the I button and you can use that video to create a professional WordPress website for yourself. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.